Hey guys, now let us see how to program this Tivaware TM4C123GH6PM trainer kit. To begin with, make sure your kit is connected with a computer and it is put in debug mode. First of all, create a new folder in your desktop and give a name to it. I create a new folder and name it as Project Demo. Now open Code Composer Studio and select the folder that you have created, or else click on this browse, go to desktop and select the folder, hit OK and click OK once again. Now the Texas Instruments has already provided us with few example projects. Now we shall directly import them into the CCS. To do that, go to project, import CCS projects and click on browse. Usually those files are kept in your C drive, so go to drive C and find out the folder named TI, explore that and click on Tivaware C series folder and go to examples, boards and click EKTM4C123GXL. I repeat, EKTM4C123GXL and go click on project 0 and hit OK. Before clicking OK, make sure the entire project 0 folder is selected. Click on the project 0 folder and click OK and click finish. Now we have imported a blank project into the CCS. Just explore the project 0 and you will find many files over there. Double click on this project0.c. This is a place where you need to type your source code. Just delete it, and the Texas Instruments has already provided us with the demo codes also, which will be usually found in your drive E or F. Now I have it in drive F. Just open that. Here I have Tivaware TM4C C files, start a kit. Now let us program with, we'll go with this ADC port 7 segment. Just open this, select all, copy that and I go over there to CCS, paste it here and click on save button. Now if you want to make any modification in this program, you can make it here and click on the save button, and once you're done with that, we need to build the project. So go to project and click build all. So now our project is built, no errors are found, only one warning. You need not worry about the warnings, usually we get those sort of stuff. So next, go to view and select target configurations. You'll be finding two folders over there, projects and user defined. Just explore this user defined and there'll be something called new target configuration. Just double click on it and we need to select what type of board we are using. That is, Stellar is in-circuit debug interface. Just select it from this box, and to make the search much more simple, type 123GH. This is our board, TM4C123GH6PM. Even if the checkbox is clicked, just uncheck it and click it again and hit save. So now it is saved. Now right click new target configurations and select launch selected configuration. So now this is called the debug window where you can see all the functionalities. Now first of all, click connect to target and click on this resume button. Now you'll be able to see the output in your trainer kit.